Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for coming back. So today we are going to be working with hair from my sister and I hair extensions.com. So here are some of the textures that are offered on their website, and I must say this hair is such quality hair. It's not like any Amazon hair, it's not like AliExpress hair. This hair is so good, like the real raw virgin hair that we used to get back in the day. It's bomb. So this is how it comes packaged. You're gonna need hair, you're gonna need a dome cap, you're gonna need a sewing machine and a bunch of tools and stuff, hair stuff. So this is how the hair comes. It is so freaking gorgeous. I love the packaging. As you can see, it's so cute. And what we have here is 3 bundles of 18-inch 613 body wave, and we have a frontal that is 613 as well. This is body wave as well with transparent lace, which is a great thing. So starting off, we're going to need a stretch cap or a dome cap, and this is the stretch cap that I got. And this one only has 1 seam, so I'm going to line the seam up from ear to ear. That'll kind of help us with the guideline of like what to do where. And so I'm just going to tack that down with some T-pins into the mannequin head, and we are going to start off putting our frontal right on the top there. And I'm going to pull it down some because I want to leave some space for, to cover my edges. So then we're going to take the back of the frontal and tack that down where the ear would be, right above where the ear would be. I'm also going to tack it down in the middle, and as you can see, it has lace on the back, so I don't need the lace. I'm going to go ahead and cut that off. A little bit is left on there, but that's fine. So I'm taking this paint metallic marker and I'm going to go ahead and draw out where the frontal should sit so that I know not to sew past there. Also, I'm going to go ahead and draw out my lines, and this is going to help me when I start sewing so that I know where to place the wefts at. As you can see, they're a little bit sideways or a little uneven. One side is higher, but it's okay. This is literally a guideline just so that I know about where to sew to get everything, in line. So you're going to go right across, and then once you get to the top, you're going to start straightening out those lines, as you can see that I did, so it lines up with your frontal. So here's one bundle that I actually doubled, and I combine them with the sewing machine with the zigzag stitch. That way I won't have to do it later, and it'll save me a bunch of trouble. So I'm taking that frontal off so I can get started sewing at the bottom, and I'm just going to pull that off. And as you can see, the lines that we created, they look kind of crazy, but still follow the guidelines for them. That will help you out. So next, we're just going to start adding our wefts. You can cut them beforehand, just measure them up to the lines and cut your wefts before, and that will help you out a lot so you don't have to do it. But make sure at the very beginning and at the very end you double stitch, or that you go back over the stitches that you've already done, and just go back and forth just to seal it in and make sure nothing is loose at the ends. And I have it just on like the zigzag stitch. Like I said, this is what it looks like. You can use blonde thread. I actually was using blonde thread when I started, but it was not working well with my machine, so I went ahead and went back to the black one because it was working just fine. So that's what it looks like with one bundle in already. As you can see at the bottom, you can't see through the hair, so you can't see that black thread anyway. Alright, so now that's what it looks like. I think I had a bundle and a half there and this is what the inside of the wig looks like. And we're going to put it right back onto our canvas head, and I'm adding with white thread I think I added 2 more at the very top that will sit right behind the frontal. And I'm using white thread so you cannot see the black thread through the actual frontal, because the frontal is not that full. I mean, it is full, but you know what I mean. So you can't see the black thread. So this is where I'm sewing the frontal down, and I'm sewing that frontal down with the white thread as well. So then I'm adding in just the strap on the back, and that is just an elastic band so that it will fit my head perfectly. And then I got these from the hair store, come with 3 of them in there, and it has the mesh on there, so I went ahead and just sewed 2 of them to the back. And now what I'm doing is just cutting just a little concave or like a C shape in the side of the frontal that's right above the ear, just so that when I try it on, it's not so awkward feeling, because I just went ahead and cut out that little bit of space for my ear, where my ear will be. And I did it on both sides, as you can see, that side as well. So now this is what the wig looks like, pretty much completed at the top. You can see the white thread just a little bit, but as you can see, it's a lot better than me using the black thread at the top of it. And this wig is already pre-plucked. It has baby hairs, and it looks freaking amazing. So I'm not going to do anything as far as tweezing or plucking or anything. I think it looks really good. And so yeah, it's like pretty much ready to go. So this is what the finished product looks like. If you have any questions, leave me a comment down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and make sure you go look and check online at my sister and I hair extensions.com. I'm going to leave their link down below. Check out their social media as well. And guess what, y'all? There is a coupon code for anyone who watches this video and you are interested in purchasing hair. I'm going to leave the coupon code down below. And yeah, just make sure you go check them out. This hair is so bomb. And make sure you check out part 2 to this video. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, bye.